Okay, we're gonna show you how to set up Mach3 with this controller, ncMotion CNC controller with the stepping and drive, and this is a power supply. Stepping and servo is the same. So we have here is direction, pulse, right? Direction and pulse. Then direction, the pulse go through right here. You can see. Let me move this a little bit. And the pulse is go to XS. Direction go to XD, right? And then the pulse plus and direction plus go into one line, then go to right there 5 volt. Okay, then what we have here, the set, right? And then just a power supply 24 volts go there, which come from this power supply as well. Okay, once we get that, we get the motor set up is basic, same thing, right? Just this 2 power and then the 4 line to the stepping. For the servo is the same thing. Okay, then for the Mach3, all you need to do is find the Mach3 plug-in first. Okay, and then you just get the ncMotion and get right here ncMotion. Just copy that ncMotion into the Mach3 plugin, paste it right there, and then you just open the Mach3. So Mach3 is right here, open, and then they ask, just pick one, and then they will ask you for the NC. Oh, don't forget to plug in the USB tab. Okay, let me plug it in right there. Okay, one is plugged in. Let's turn it off one more time, and then let's turn it back on. Okay, and then okay, then they will ask you for NC, USB CNC controller. Just click OK, select that, and that's it. You almost just change there, almost don't have to do anything there, right? Then let's go to motor and tuning, and this one 1600 pulse, so 100, and then acceleration a little bit. Just try out, reset, tab, and then just click test it out for the X, and then moving perfectly right there. You can see I move X, right? Oh, okay. Even we put the MD right there, and then just go X 100, enter. So it moves slowly. Right there. I think it's moving, but it moves slowly because I didn't put the speed. Let me reset first, and I put the speed to be faster. Right? For example, X 20, and then F, let's go 1000. Okay, then enter. Like that, moving fast, and then go 220. Exactly 20, and then stop. All right, thank you. So again, basic, just pulse direction 5 volt, and then the power in right there. That's it. Bye bye.